Imagine sitting in a coffee shop enjoying a latte and catching up on work. You connect to the free Wi-Fi and everything seems normal. But what if you don't know your device is being hacked? Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's also a security risk. Hackers can easily exploit unsecured networks to steal personal information, install malware on your device, or even impersonate you. In this video, we'll discuss the top security risks of using public Wi-Fi and how to protect yourself. Public Wi-Fi is a convenient way to get online, but knowing the security risks involved is important. Hackers can easily intercept data sent over public Wi-Fi networks, putting your personal information and devices at risk. There are many common security risks associated with using public Wi-Fi, including man-in-the-middle attacks. This type of attack occurs when a hacker intercepts communication between two devices and poses as one of them. This can allow them to steal personal information, such as passwords and credit card numbers. Evil twin networks. Hackers can create fake Wi-Fi networks that look legitimate. When you connect to an evil twin network, the hacker can intercept your traffic and steal your data. Packet sniffing. This type of attack involves capturing data, packets transmitted over a network. Hackers can use packet sniffing to steal personal information such as passwords and credit card numbers. Malware distribution. Hackers can use public Wi-Fi networks to distribute malware to devices. This malware can be used to steal personal information, damage devices, or even take control of devices. Identity theft. Hackers can use the information they steal from public Wi-Fi networks to commit identity theft. This can include opening new credit card accounts in your name or taking over your existing accounts. How to stay safe on public Wi-Fi. To stay safe on public Wi-Fi, you should follow these tips. Use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your traffic, making it much more difficult for attackers to intercept your data. Avoid unsecured websites. Only visit websites that use HTTPS, a secure protocol that encrypts your traffic. You can identify HTTPS websites by the lock icon in the address bar. Be careful about what information you share. Avoid entering sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, and social security numbers on public Wi-Fi. If you need to enter sensitive information over a secure connection such as a VPN or your cellular network, keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help protect you from known vulnerabilities. Use strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all of your online accounts. Avoid using easily guessed passwords such as your name, birthday, or common words. Following these tips can help protect yourself from the security risks of using public Wi-Fi. Additional tip: be aware of your surroundings when using public Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi in areas with many people, as this increases the risk of someone trying to intercept your data. When you use public Wi-Fi, it's important to be careful. Public Wi-Fi can be risky because bad people can try to take your information. But if you are cautious and follow some safety tips, you can stay safe. Always connect to trusted networks, use strong passwords, and avoid doing important things like online banking on public Wi-Fi. By being smart about it, you can enjoy the convenience of public Wi-Fi without putting your personal information in danger. Thank you for watching our video on the top security risks of using public Wi-Fi. We hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you stay safe online. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on these tips, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Together, we can build a safer digital world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Stay secure and stay connected.